And welcome back to Gauntlet, guys. Gauntlet!
We're
So-
nearing the end of our journey.
We are nearing the end. We are 1, 2,
I
3
want that
levels
wizard
away.
hat. I want my wizard hat, but I need like 3,000 more gold.
I have the
get?
feather.
Oh snap! People be turning into turkey. Why are you going when Cap is still in the shop?
Oh.
Ah, I'm coming.
Oh
Eh,
well.
we wait for you!
God.
Well, I mean, you have to wait for me.
Yeah, we don't have a choice, but still, we wait!
You want me to have the key. I mean, not the key, the potion.
I want the potion. Oh, hello, demons! Is that a freaking dragon? I think it's a freaking dragon.
It's a
Is there a
gargoyle.
dragon? Oh yeah, it's a gargoyle. I still want there to be a dragon in this game, just because there were dragons in Gauntlet 2. And they look like a garden hose. And when you killed it, he would say, "I've never seen such bravery."
You guys remember, like, the Chimera that was in the, what was it, the 64 version?
This is the first time I played this game, so.
Yeah, I've only played the NES version before this, and an arcade version or two. So I really don't know anything about the 64 version.
Gotcha. Nope! Guys, I would like to kill the
more.
dragon over here.
So many demons.
Somebody has turned into a turkey!
Oh my god, it's you. Oh my goodness. So... That's amazing, by the way. I thought it would just turn into a platter
What
of
the
food
frick?
on the ground. What happened?
I don't know.
Oh,
He turned into a turkey and died.
So, the turkey thing.
No, not again.
So, Kat, did you see what happened with the turkey?
No, I did not, actually.
So, when he uses his trinket,
Dang
they
it.
turn into a cooked turkey that runs
Oh.
around.
Wait, let me get it. Yeah. Oh.
I need the food.
Whoops. I keep forgetting that teleport can destroy things.
First he steals my crown, and he takes my food. Nah!
I think we need to take that crown back from him.
A true display of arcane prowess.
I'm just gonna swing my axe all the way up here. Go for
Okay,
these guys.
so we got pentagrams on the ground. This is normal.
I mean, it is a demon cult.
You like?
Demon cult. I think we're in hell.
Well, it's a demon cult in hell, so you know it's kind of in the middle.
Is Halo okay? I don't even see
Yeah,
Halo.
fine.
He's typing, so you know we can go without him.
Sounds good. Take all the monies. God, man, we're getting intense right here. Look at this.
Man.
We're so focused. All right,
I
hey,
don't want to
guys.
go in there. Hang on, wait.
I do.
Alright, hit it.
Thank you, Mark.
There we go. Good job, guys.
All right. Yay.
Teamwork.
These demon heads, man.
Watch
they
this.
Look like they belong
Ha!
in like some sort of Chinese shrine.
Wait, you say some sort of Chinese shrine?
The demon head things, they look like a statue that you would see on like a Chinese temple.
Racist, man.
Hey man, it's not racist.
What the heck?
I mean, Brony's sword is named racism in Revenge of Cookie.
I'm coming.
Mine's named prejudice and his is named racism.
Alright.
Oh yeah, Cream, you need to come
Wall.
play Revenge of Cookie with us.
I did play some, but I died like long before I met up with anyone.
When? When did you join us?
Like a couple days ago.
Oh, you should come play with us again.
Yeah. The thing is with me and Cookie, actually, yeah. The thing that is with me and Cookie, I don't do well on teams. I want all the points to myself.
Mm-hmm. I can kind of tell.
Hush.
All right.
You're just jealous that you're
In
not
there,
real,
right?
a real wizard. Oh yeah, let's go in there. I'm just gonna.
You're corner trapping me here.
I wanted to teleport, but I got stuck on a table.
Alright. Do you want to go in this one? Or do you want to go in another one? Okay, we'll go in this one. Making the warrior turn the cranks. I see how he is, you guys.
Well, yeah, man. I mean, I need to save my strength for waving my arms in the air.
Like you just don't care?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay, I see him, I'm going for him.
Slay him. He must perish. Oh. Oh no. Fireballs. Using my own magic against me.
Mm. Alright.
Alright.
Think we did good on that one, guys. Oh, right here.
Yep.
You guys go for it. I'll hold them off. Ha!
Okay, I can't. Ah, that was just a couple of potions. Wait. Is this another wall that would have been destroyed?
I don't believe
I can't
so.
tell. Yes, it is.
God dang it.
It's your fault, Crew.
I shouldn't... Hey, I wasn't expecting there to be a secret room inside the secret room.
Inside the other secret room, playing the other secret room, dude. I see gold.
Oh yeah.
No, I can't
wait,
get to it.
what?
Oh, hello.
Oh my goodness. Couple times.
Nope, no. Me. Ah, dang it. I didn't even see what hit me.
There were a lot of things that may have hit you.
I can feel that. I got this, guys.
Oh no.
Get out of here.
Here, I'm just gonna put that. Oh no. There we go. Let's go.
Enjoying the target practice over there, guys. Oh, holy crud. What the heck's going on with that?
It's the demon heads, man.
Wow! They one-shot you!
Oh. Well then.
All I know is I got the crown.
That was war.
Oh, and now I don't because the freaking thing just jumps up right in front of me. God dang it! Why did that happen? Oh, again! Enough of this!
I'm just gonna hold off back here.
I'm just gonna circle everything.
Hey, one.
Someone's a chicken!
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 Oh.
It ran at me. I don't know what else you expect me to do.
Cook it. I expect you to cook it. Or
It
at
is
least invite me to
already cooked.
Thanksgiving.
They come pre-cooked.
There we go. Cleared it.
I'm a wizard and I'm turning a crank.
Turning a crank. Turning a crank. Is this right where we're going? Oh yeah, it is.
Alright.
No. Ah! I was like, if I stay on this side...
I almost kept Cream from getting that.
Yeah.
Can't keep me from my gold. Mmm.
That gold. Mmm.
Alright, yes. Mangold. Yes.
Alrighty.
I've destroyed the food 65 times. I feel like I've done it more than that.
I hate you. So much. So much hate.
Much hate, very wow.
Hate leads to anger.
Look at this. We're making us turn a crank again, right at the start. What the heck?
Right at the start.
There's not even any enemies to fight.
And then one level, they're gonna have no crank be there.
And we're just gonna be like, we're expecting the crank.
There would be no enemies until there's a crank, and they'll be like, ha, fooled you. There is a crank at the start of the level. Or the level just started late.
The warrior's taking the brunt of the damage. Don't worry.
Level don't start till I turn cranks.
No.
God damn it, Cream! That laugh!
Tee wizard.
I'm already about to die, god damn it.
Which is why you should not have the crown.
No, it should. Yeah, he has more reason to have the crown. That way we could take off his body easier.
Well,
Don't let those touch you.
One went through me.
Of it falling in lava. Don't faint.
Okay, Irish wolf.
Oh no.
I died.
Oh.
And I didn't drop any gold when I died because I didn't have any gold.
No, I'm gonna die next.
Oh no.
Yes,
Oh, no.
yes, me!
Oh no. I cry.
The crank holder has the crown! I am King Crank Holder now!
Peasants don't know about my crank.
Your crank is so crunk, man.
Help me! I don't even
Um,
know first.
how are you all the way back there? Why are you all
I
the way
didn't
back
realize you were still back there, Halo.
there? Food, please.
No. Freaking. Why can't I pick up that food?
Oh, dang it.
Damn it!
That food was booby trapped. I feel like...
Ow.
God dang it.
Dude, these fireballs, they're getting a bit insane.
Oh my god.
Oh no!
Jesus Christ!
Oh no. Oh god, why? Freaking demon heads.
I'll pave the way. We got this.
Blaze a path for us.
My axe is the axe that will pierce the heavens!
Or the hell, whatever.
Oh god, food. Thank you. Oh, dang it. I just destroyed more food.
God dang it.
Well, I can see how it's useful for you, but my guys have to run everywhere.
Oh god. I do not like these fireballs.
Would you have them Sam I Am?
What?
I'm gonna call you Sam I Am now. Wait, why is
I
Sam
do
I
not
Am?
like orange hells and fireballs.
Oh, food,
I need
food.
foods.
I need food more.
We all need it.
Oh, god dang it.
Alright.
I almost let you have it too. I was like, wait a second. There's more guys down here first.
Let me get my chicken!
Get the chicken! Get the chicken!
Run, quest.
Run for the chicken! It's running away! The food is running away!
I love that thing.
Oh no. I think it's gone. Oh, no.
Oh my god.
I was very much hoping you'd take a hit there.
There we go.
Oh.
Take all the stuff.
I could not spell my way out of that, no.
Oh god, I'm lagging too right now.
Well, crown's gone.
I got the crown. What are you talking about?
What? How?
Oh god. Okay, now I don't have the crown. Now I have the crown again. I'm running. I'm running. Run the
I
cream's
don't
bubble.
understand what just happened in the past 20 seconds.
All I know is I have the crown and I really need food badly. Notice me, senpai. Notice me, food senpai.
I thought
Oh,
that
God.
fireball would hit. Oh. Oh, that was so close.
I like how you guys are rooting for me to die.
This is getting like legit difficult.
Oh, thank god I have food now. You guys want to go down or up? Up? Okay, we're going
We're
up.
going up. Follow the elf. What do your elf eyes see?
So, Elf, where are we going?
See the exit.
You see the exit, Elf?
Are you taking the wizard to the exit?
Taking the hobbits to Isengard. I don't know what you're talking about.
Wait, is the exit actually here? Oh no, it's a crank.
Who
Alright
knows what
guys,
this-
let's start a level.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Let's see here.
Oh, yep, here we go.
Ah, I was taking you to the exit.
Yeah, wait,
Impressive,
he was taking us to a spot he had no idea where it was. You realize
Yeah.
that, right? Then
I
when we
don't know
finally
what
get there,
you're
he's like,
talking
oh
about. I
yeah!
knew exactly where I was going.
Crown did nothing for me. I don't know how he got it, but...
I should have had that crown. Dethroned Halo.
Halo, by securing the
killed
crown, I secured your
6,000
spot, sir.
enemies. I've killed 6,000 enemies with fire.
Fire!
Fire!
Fire Bombrider! Okay, I think after we cleared the whole level, we get back to the whole area, we get back to the lobby area. I'm gonna get something to drink really quick because it is freaking hot as heck over here.
Yeah, okay.
Oh. Okay, wait, don't get the food.
Oh.
Halo. No, not Halo. Oh yeah, it's Halo. We're talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm getting gold, not food.
You took the food over here.
Play him.
Alright, top corner. Go for the top corner one.
Alright.
Ooh, nearly broke a food. Oh god.
Oh no.
No you don't. No you don't, guy.
We're doing a pretty good job of getting rid of those spellcasters, that...
I may have accidentally destroyed some food. Not that we seem to need it right now, but top corner right here.
Are we actually being coordinated?
We are actually coordinating right now. For the first time.
Oh god, I'm about to die.
No you don't, guy.
Help me! I have 1 health.
I can't bubble. Bubble. Get my bubble.
Yeah, let's destroy the one down here, guys.
Oh, oh. No. So close.
Shut it.
Alright. Back away from Cream. I'm trying to keep the path clear for you, Cream. Ooh, good job, guys.
Alright.
Oh yeah, all the other
Wow,
gold
you
appears.
didn't die.
Who, me? Oh, Halo.
Halo.
I mean, 1 health.
I used my fire boots and I saved your life. And Cream uses
Yeah,
double
you
and saved
did.
your life.
Yeah. Alright. Oh man, yeah. We all did pretty good there.
Mm-hmm. Hey, when did you get a...
If it wasn't for that
Wait, he had the
we would
crown?
even-
We should have let him die.
Uh-huh. I wanted him to die. I was impressed that he didn't.
Alright. Chapter clear, guys.
Alright.
Bronze unlocks for
Alright,
Templar Toppler.
I believe
Alright.
that's the end of the episode for you.
It is indeed. Later, everyone.